Hi all, this is I'm doing a review on this Titan power washer. I've just gone and picked it up. It was $99.99 from Screwfix. These are all the bits and pieces that come with it. So I'm just going to blast it together, see how long it takes, so you've got an idea of what to do. And then I'll comment once I've actually used it later today, just to see how it goes. And then yeah, we go from there. Right, so I've got some screws sewn up. Put the handle on. A minute. Easier somewhere. There we go. It's quite actually a bit to put together. I thought it was going to be a bit less than that, but it's one of them. Let's just try this. I wouldn't use one of these unless you're really used to it, just because yeah, so take some top, go with the wheels. Just look like they push it down. Well, it's just one. That's that. Oh, that's obviously to take the thing. Again. So these are the slightly bigger screws, but with a point on them, so they self-tap into the plastic. That's the ones I'm using. That and that. Wheels. These look fiddly. So I'm going to go in on the edge. Like this. Actually, so like that, give it a little bit of an angle to it, and it seems to just pop in onto that one. There's this bit right for. So that's the handle, top. This goes at the back here. So that there, right on the back. And there's a couple screws to go on there too. So I read the reviews on this one, and they do look really good, to be honest. A lot of people use them for the cars and that sort of thing. Right, so that's the thing put together, so that doesn't take too long. Now it's just so your hose and handle bit, now the sprayer. So let's have a look at that. By the looks of it, it's quite easy. got bits. It's got the rotary nozzle. Oh, so you got the different heads here. So you got this one's for fan and pin jet to be used in conjunction with the extension lance, and then you've got the other one I unpacked, which was the rotary nozzle for high pressure cleaning. Then we've got the extension lance. We've got the soap tank, which is in the back here already, and then we've got this attachment goes on the soap tank. I expect that pipe goes into it. Let's double check. Yeah, so that pipe goes on there. Put that in there. Should just push on. Easier said than done. Just keep pushing, it will go in. There you go. And then that screws onto this one. So you'd fill your shampoo in there if you're doing, like I'll do the vans later, so I should do that, and that just clicks on. What else we got? So that's that one. And the nozzle, so you got that, and this is pretty straightforward. Imagine that goes in there, and that should lock. So push it tight, lock it, and then your attachments must go on there, so that's cool. And then, so that one is for this attachment. So that must go through there. Sits in there, and then that screws in, so like that, and that sits in. That's what it looks like to me. So then, obviously the water helps spray that, and this is for doing your washing down. What is this for? Like your patio brush, that's called. Alright, and then you've got this bit here. So this doesn't look like it comes with. It doesn't come with the attachment. It looks like for the hose pipe, which is a bit of a shame, because would have been handy. So you got the standard female connector needed to attach your hose pipe to this one. You've got a nice long lead with a standard plug. You've got a plug handle to help move it. On the front you've got your instructions, I won't talk through that now. And then just the last one, I can show you this. So you've got the ends are these compressy type fittings, I can't remember what they're called, and they just pop it, and then that one attaches there, and then the other end attaches to the underside there. So that is actually it in a nutshell. Choose which hose ends you want. It looks like you can press the button, pop it in, lock it, and then release, and then that gives you a tip of the heads to unlock it, push, turn and pull. And then this is the same with this brush, so pop it in, find your space, and it's locked in there. You can see that. And like I said, I had a quick look through the reviews and they were really good for this one, so I'm going to try it out and I'll put in the comments section below how I get on with it this morning or later on today. Alright, right, hopefully that was alright. Sorry, I was reading the instructions as I was doing it, so it was all a bit of a mess, but hopefully that gives you some idea of just how to put it together quickly, because I was expecting it to come in fully complete, to be honest, but obviously, you know, they can't do that. Alright, so I'll comment after and let you know how I got on. Thanks all. There we go, we're going to try it out. did also find this bit here, this goes with it, so there is that. You just need to get your insert filled out with some stuff as well. So no, I'm well happy with that so far. We'll keep trying out and comment if there's anything I find out about it. Thanks all.